Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this free smartwatch that I recently received from Temu. A lot of people have been talking about this new online shopping site, so the other day I thought, why not, and I created an account. And as I started browsing, they offered me a free smartwatch, so I thought, why not, we'll have a look at it, and I got it sent across. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is the package that it came in. It just arrived recently at my house, and apologies for the scribble and the bit of paper covering here. I was just covering up some personal details, but it's a pretty plain looking package, as you can see here. Not much to see on this package. So the smartwatch is in a cardboard box on the inside. It does feel very light, so it'll be interesting to see what's actually inside here. But I reckon we'll just get straight into the unboxing. So I've just got some scissors here and I will open up the package. Might just cut it along here, I reckon. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go, that might be enough to open it up. We'll give it a bit of a rip here. And we'll see if we can get this cardboard box out. And as you can see, we've pulled it out here. I'll put that package to the side. And there's some very basic sort of random generic looking text on here. And other than that, it's a very plain looking box. Now, most of the products on Temu all come out of China, and this product is no exception, where it says made in China in the little bottom right hand corner. But they obviously must have some local stock, because this came through within about a week after I ordered it and got the free product. So obviously they must have some local stock within the country, because I'm pretty sure it would take longer if it was coming out of China. Now, I have no idea what to expect when I open this package here. There's a lot of unknowns. Like, the marketing images obviously try to make it look really good, but it's only a very cheap product. I believe it's only about between 10 or 15 Australian dollars. So I don't expect much from this, but we'll just see how it goes. And considering it's for free, I thought it'd be a bit of fun just to unbox it on the channel. So you can see that the rest of the cardboard box is blank, and we've got a little bit of a opening here that I can pull up on, and we'll just open it up. Now, we've got some bubble wrap here. I can pull that out. It does feel very light, but I should be able to open this up here. And we've got a couple of bands and a user's manual and the smartwatch itself. So what I might do is look at the bands first. So you can see we've got a couple of just rubber / silicone bands here. Pretty simple, but you know, it does the job. And then we've got the little user's guide here for the watch. So it says Smart Wristband User's Manual. That's promising, and just a very basic user guide there. And let's have a closer look at the watch itself. So you can see here it's got a little plastic protective coating on it. Let's just peel that off now. There we go, that was quite satisfying. And you can see that here is the smartwatch itself. So looks like we might have a little heart rate sensor on the bottom, but I don't know, that could be fake, could just be a little light. Looks like it charges via a USB plug here. So you plug your USB in there and it just charges straight off what I would assume to be the wall brick. And let's see if we can put these bands on. So it looks like it just goes into here. So we'll just try and slip the band in here. It's a little bit tough to get it in, but yeah, there we go. We've got one of them in, and then we'll push in the other one here. It's a little bit of wiggling, you can eventually get it in. Now, let's see. You can actually sort of see the square display there when I have the light over it. So you can see it's a square display, not a round display. And we do, well, it looks things have a little sort of virtual button down here. Now, I'm not entirely sure how to boot this up. Maybe it has to be connected to a USB port. So what I might go and do is connect it up to a USB port and then come back when it's booted up. All right, so here I have just a little Apple Basic 5-watt power adapter that plugs into the wall outlet, but it should be more than enough to power this watch. So just bring in my little extension cable here, plug that into that, and then we'll see if we can get this booting on camera. So I'll have to remove the watch band to reveal the USB port. I don't think there's any loosening mechanism here. I'll just try and get it off here. There we go. And then I should just be able to plug the USB port into here. So plug it in. All right, so it turns out I needed a bit of a bigger wall adapter here. So this is the Apple 10 watt adapter. The 5 watt wasn't giving it any power. And you can see here that it says it's charging and it thinks it's 4:57 p.m. So what I'm going to do is see if I can boot it up here, or whether it sort of just, maybe if I pull it off the charger. Okay, here we go. It goes into watch mode. So we've clearly got enough power to have it running here. Let me put the wristband back on. All right, so here's the watch itself. So on the first screen, you can see it shows the time, the date, and also some rather fake looking activity rings. It's obviously a copy of Apple's activity rings here. And you can see the battery percentage and progress indicator up in the top right hand corner. Now, sorry that the screen keeps going off. Can't seem to get it to stay on. So this is the only touch point on the screen by the looks of things, this bottom little button. So I can't just like cycle through or anything like that. So I have to click through. You can see it shows my steps here, what looks to be probably kilometers, and also calories burnt. I've got a heart rate there. So obviously there is a heart rate monitor on here, or at least it looks like there's one. It could be fake. We can also see what looks to be a temperature sensor, and also what looks to be an oxygen percentage in your body. I wouldn't trust any of the readings on this watch. They're probably all fake or are very far off. You can see there's a sports mode, messages, music, and more settings. So let's just see how we can get into some of these menus here. So if I hold down, it might enter it. There we go. You can see it enters it. And then if I hold down, maybe if I hold down on this, it will start the workout. So this is like a running workout. And then I can probably stop it, things like that. So it's very basic. Messages, you can see that there's nothing there. So this obviously would try to sync from your phone. I don't think I'll be connecting this to my phone just because I'm not sure if I trust it. Music, looks like that might be like media playback controls, maybe for your phone. If it was connected via Bluetooth, I don't know how successful that would all be. But it's sort of a bit finicky to navigate with not having a touch screen. Let's see if I can get out of this menu now. There we go. And then there's more settings here. So I'm going to here. You can see it's claiming to do sleep, weather, camera control. That would be interesting. Maybe it can also do a find device and a reset, and also a QR code there and some basic information. So that's pretty much all there is to this very basic smartwatch from Temu. Very interesting to check this out. They sent it along for free, so it was just a bit of fun to have a look at this. Definitely wouldn't have bought it with my own money, but, you know, not complaining that they sent it over for free, and a bit of fun looking at some of this sort of cheap stuff off of Temu. And if you'd like to see any more videos like this, let me know in the comments below, because, you know, it always seems to be that Temu seems to be offering a lot of, you know, free gifts occasionally just for using the site. So who knows, next time I'm on there, I might be sent over another free thing. And if you've got any tips or tricks on how to use Temu the most effective way, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I know it's been getting a lot of media attention. A lot of my friends are also talking about it. So thought I'd check it out, and there you go. I got sent a free smartwatch. So just a bit of fun checking this out today. And if you'd like for me to make this a series, then yeah, definitely let me know in the comments below, because I'm more than happy to have a bit more fun with some of these unknown products. Sort of a bit of fun not knowing what you're going to unbox. So just opening a package and not really knowing what to expect is a bit of fun. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.